sweet, fabulous, and scintillating 79th Independence Day. Respected Principal Sir and Chief Guest of the day, dear teacher friends and dear students, I am indeed privileged to utter a few words on this grand occasion of celebration of Independence Day inside Kendriya Vidyalaya Hinjalikat premises. We all know how we achieved independence, how our forefathers, the freedom fighters, sacrificed their lives to achieve independence from more than 200 rules of the British government. Our country, India, is no doubt great. I salute my country and my motherland. We have developed scientifically, economically, agriculturally, in the field of medical sciences, agriculture, industry, urbanization, in every sector, in combating different social crimes like terrorism, Naxalism, etc., etc. The Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has the dream of making India the Viksit Bharat, developed India by the year 2047. We have got independence, but what is our role, what is our duty, what are our responsibilities as a citizen? The Constitution of India is enshrined with 4 basic values: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. And on this grand occasion, I would like to advise you all, my dear students, to cultivate all the constitutional values and democratic values. It is our prime responsibility, it is our most important duty to keep the national flag of our country intact. We should make our country not an ivory tower, but a watchtower. If we are conscious of our duties and responsibilities, then everything will be fine. Our country will develop in every aspect. This is the occasion when we pay homage to our freedom fighters, to our people, forefathers who have sacrificed their lives to achieve independence. Till now, we have developed so far, but there are some problems which are rampant in our society. And we people have to change our mental setup. If we change our mental setup, our mindset, if we always be optimistic, positive in our attitude, dealings, then only we can achieve success in each and every field. I must tell you one thing, independence and freedom are two synonymous terms, but there is a difference. One may be independent, but may not be free. One may be free, but may not be independent. So we have to uphold both independence and freedom in our true spirit, and we must act for the betterment of our country, society, community, family, and as a whole, the entire country and nation. We must not forget our duties and responsibilities, and we should be the stewards of development. Lastly, but not the least, I once again wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day and wish you very bright future, and I hope you all must be good citizens and good human beings of the country. Thank you all.